solved question number 1A, question number 1B. Now question number 2A. Complete any two of the following activities. Now this question carries 4 marks. That means we have to complete any 2 activities, so 2 marks for each activity. Okay. First activity, complete the following activity to solve the simultaneous equations 3x plus 2y equal to 10 and x minus y equal to 2. Okay. Now student, in this type of question, activity based question, full solution is given here. Only here you have to complete the boxes. Okay. So while solving this type of question, you have to carry all these solution, all these steps as it is in your answer book. Okay. And whenever box is given, write their correct answer. You can see here there are 4 boxes. So half mark for each box. Okay. So let us solve this question. Here these 2 equations are given. So these 2 equations carried here. 3x plus y equal to 10. Equation number 1. X minus y equal to 2. Equation number 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. So here you can see y variable is having same coefficient and they are having plus minus sign. So here we have to add the equation. Adding equation 1 and 2. 3x plus y equal to 10. First equation. X minus y equal to 2. Second equation. So here like algebraic expressions we have to add here. 3x plus x is equal to 4x. Plus y minus y gets cancelled, equal to, we have to complete this box, 10 plus 2, 12, correct. So write here 12. Okay. Now this 4 we have to take on this side, so it gets divided. So 12 divided by 4, 4 3s are 12. So x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Substituting the value of x in equation 2. Equation 2 is x minus y equal to 2. The equation is carried here down. X equal to we got 3. So substitute here x is equal to 3. So 3 minus y equal to 2. So to solve this equation, see directly we have to write the value of y. So we have to imagine here negative y we have to take on this side. So here on this side you will get y. And this 2 you have to take on left hand side. So minus 2. So 3 minus 2, 1. So y is equal to 1. So this way you have to complete this activity type question. Whatever steps given in the question paper, as it is you have to write in your answer book. And then you have to complete the boxes. Followed? Okay. Then second question. Find the 23rd term of the following AP. 9, 4, minus 1, minus 6, minus 11 and so on. So we have to find 23rd term. So solution is given. Here A is equal to 9. A means the first term which is equal to 9. D equal to box. We have to find D. So how to find D? T2 minus T1. That means 4 minus 9. So 4 minus 9 is equal to minus 5. So write here answer minus 5. Okay. See, or you can imagine the terms are going in descending order. So when terms are in descending order, common difference you will get negative. Okay. Then 23rd term means we have to find T23. Next step. Tn is equal to box. You have to complete the formula. So formula for nth term is Tn is equal to A plus bracket n minus 1 bracket close into D. So formula we completed. T23 is equal to 9 plus box. So we have to substitute values. A is equal to 9 plus bracket n minus 1. N we have to take 23. So 23 minus 1 into D. D is equal to minus 5. So write in bracket. So this is the second step. And 9 plus 23 minus 1 into minus 5. Next step. T23 equal to 9 plus 23 minus 1, 22 into minus 5. Therefore, T23 is equal to box. We have to write direct answer. So, middle step you can do as roughly. That 9, this rough work you have to do. 9 plus 22 into minus 5. Minus 110. 22 into 5, 110. In here minus 5, so minus 110. So, plus minus minus. 9 minus 110. Now subtract this. 10 minus 1, 9, 1. 0 minus 0, 0. And 1 minus 0, 1. 101. And 110 is bigger number. It is having minus sign. So here write minus. So T23 is equal to minus 101. So this way we completed. Sub question 3. Third activity. A die is rolled. Complete the following activity to find the probability of getting a prime number on the upper face of the die. Okay. Now while solving this type of question, first we have to write random experiment. A die is rolled. Therefore, the sample space S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 numbers on each face. Therefore, N of S is equal to 6. The event is A be the event of getting a prime number on the upper face of the die. So, we have to complete this activity. Okay. Now from this sample space we have to select prime numbers. Okay. The first number is 1. Students, 1 is neither prime nor even. It is only odd number. So in prime number we don't have to take 1. So the first prime number is 2. Second prime number is 3. And next prime number is 5. Okay. So the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5. We have to write here their numbers 2, 3, 5. So how many sample points of event A we have? 1, 2, 3. So therefore N of A is equal to 3. Followed? Then we have to complete the formula. Probability of event A is equal to N of A divided by N of S. Complete the formula. Here they have written formula. So don't substitute values here. Complete the formula. N of A upon N of S. Now N of A is equal to 3 and N of S is equal to 6. So 3 upon 6. So it is simplified. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So the probability of event A is 1 upon 2. Write the simplest form. 1 upon 2. So here we have completed the activity half, 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 half. Like this 2 marks are given. Students, if you observe the questions, you come to know that in the activity type question already the solution is given. So you don't have to think on the steps. Steps are already given. You just have to put the correct values. Followed? So don't miss this question. Try to attempt this question. These marks are in your hand.